So now I'm going to talk about the header row and then sorting your columns or rows. So the header row is right here, and you can click and put it in place by put it in place by clicking and dragging it. And basically what this does is it freezes everything above it. You can see this is the budgeted amount, and then these are actual amounts. So it freezes this, so when I scroll down, you can see how this always remains at the top, so I can always know what this column is no matter how long it gets. And this is standard in most spreadsheet programs. But a cool thing about Google's header row is that first off, it puts it in here so you can see it nice and clear, instead of just having to freeze it like maybe in a different program. But they put a sort function right there, right on it. And you can sort A to Z. In the case of numbers, it's going smallest to largest. Go ahead and undo that. But that's a pretty cool feature. Basically sort from A to Z or Z to A, and that applies to numbers as well. And then the other way to sort and see your header row is up here in the Sort tab. And it's just the exact same functions, except if I just hit column B, now I can sort A to Z. That's the exact same as coming down here and going to A and Z. And you can see 5 rows are frozen, and this is where I dragged and placed my header row. If I click No Frozen Header Rows, you can see it moved back up. So this is basically how to do it manually, and to just do it by clicking and dragging is probably the easiest way, and probably what you'll find the easiest, and then you can sort so easily just right here on the header row. So that's using a header row and sorting in Google Spreadsheet.